Once you're there, you're going to scroll down and click where it says 12, 10, 21 assignment. Click here. Now, there are 16 questions on this. It's worth 16 points. 8 of them are multiple choice, and 8 of them you have to type in on your own. We're going to go over 4 of them. Again, everything I write in red, right, I want you to write down on your Chromebook exactly in the same spot I do, so that we're in the practice of doing this. We're always going to write the equation y equals mx plus b. We need to know what b equals, and we need to know what m equals. B stands for the y-intercept. Okay? The y-intercept is where where this line crosses this y-axis. So this here is the y-axis. I can see that this line crosses it right here. What's the number right there? 3. So B is simply 3. For slope, we follow the line to the right until it crosses again in the corner of a box, which is right here. I then can draw a triangle, a right triangle. It rises 1 and runs 2. Slope is rise over run. 1 over 2. The last thing I'm going to do is check, is this line going up or down, left or right? It's going up, so this is positive. So the equation I would write would be y equals 1/2 x, and since it's positive 3, we put plus 3. Now, when we look, it is, on mine, it's the third one down. You may check it might scramble the answers around, but you want to make sure that it matches y equals 1/2 x plus 3. Are we good? Let's go ahead and move on to number 2. Go ahead and erase what's on your Chromebook. You might leave this y equals mx plus b there, but the rest of it you can erase. So I still need to know what b is and what m is. So what is b for this problem? 7. Right there. And then I follow it. It crosses again right there in the corner. How much does it rise? How much does it run? So it should be 1 over 1. Now, is it positive or negative? Positive. When I write this equation, I would write y equals x plus 7. Because 1 over 1 reduces to 1. Do I have to put the number 1 in front of a letter? No, I can just put the letter. We assume that there's one x there when there's not a number. So, if we look, y equals x plus 7 is right here. If you were to write 1 over 1 in front of the x like that, it would be counted as correct too. They're both correct, right? But most people would do this. Most math teachers would write it like this here. As you get into higher level math, it's just less stuff to write, and it makes it easier. We're going to skip to question number 9. You can erase this we're going to skip all the way down to question number 9. It's the same thing, except for now it's not multiple choice. We have to type it in ourselves. So we're still writing the equation y equals mx plus b. What's the b for this one? Yeah, it's 1. It's right there. Follow the line, it crosses again right there. What is the rise for this one? What's the rise for here to here? Up 1 and over. Up 1 and over 2. So the equation I would write would be y equals 1/2 x plus 1. And I would type that in that box. Y equals 1/2 x plus 1. No spaces, nothing like that in between there. I literally type in y equals 1/2 x plus 1. There's no need for spaces. Now, I would move on to question number 10. What is the b for question 10? Yeah, it's 6. Good job. What do I notice about the slope? It's going down, which means it's negative. So it crosses here. It doesn't cross again in the corner again until way down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? It has a rise of 5 and a run of 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's the equation I would write? Y equals negative 5 over 4x plus 6. So I would type that in. Y equals negative 5 over 4x plus 6. Again, no spaces, none of that stuff. I'm going to type it in exactly like that. Y equals negative 5 over 4x plus 6. Your assignment, there are 16 questions. We did 4 of them, so there's 12 left. I need you to do the other 12. If you finish early, you should work on missing assignments.